Friends, today we are going to read Kids, the Sounds of K. Let's start. Kindergarten kids have lots of fun. Kids will do all kinds of things. Kids learn numbers 1 to 10. Some kids write with a pen. Some kids kick and toss a ball. Some kids run and do not fall. Some kids dress up like a king. Some kids dance and some kids sing. Kindergarten kids have lots of fun. Kids will do all kinds of things. Word list: cake, kids, kindergarten, kinds, king. The end. I hope you love this book's friend. Bye bye.